Hey guys, it's me, and I'm on Toontown right now. I'm trying to adopt Doodle. I'm trying to see how much jelly beans I have, because, yeah, that's where I see how many jelly beans I have. I'm going to go to the, I don't know what to do. I just got up, it's at 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm an early bird. And so, yeah, I'll be on Toontown for about a few hours until I'm tired. I'm gonna upload this like tomorrow. Oh my gosh, taking my jelly beans. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad to turn this off. Okay, so, yeah, I'm gonna go in the trolley. Try to play some cool games. Try to get some money. So, peace out, suckers.